Hi everybody, Richard Barron with HHI Windows and Doors, and I'm sitting in my new office as part of our new showroom, and we're very, very excited about being able to open to the public here soon. We've already set our ribbon cutting for March 2nd and our first open house on February 28th. With some of our special customers that we're already working with, we'll be able to bring them in a little bit ahead of that schedule. But we're so eager to get everybody in because we know that this is going to be not only a great place to learn about windows and doors and do some shopping if you're in the market, but also a great place for our community and for not just the home improvement aspect of the community, but also for all the people that are here in Bluffton and Hilton Head area that are looking for a good place to meet, a place to share ideas, a place to congregate, a place to have fellowship. So we're thrilled about the way it's turned out and look forward to everybody being able to get in here and see it. Also really excited with the growth that we were able to experience over 2025. We saw a company that started with just 2 or 3 people grow all the way to where we have 12 employees now, not including our installation crews, which bring those numbers even up higher. We've added some terrific personnel, people that I know have tremendous character, high levels of integrity, and care deeply about us making sure that we do the right thing when we're taking care of your home and with your windows and doors. So I look forward for you being able to come in and meet us in person, experiencing everything that we have to offer. And if you ever have any needs for windows and doors, please don't hesitate to call us. You can reach us at 843-689-2140 or find us online at www.hhiwindows.com.